Hello students, today I'm going to show you how to log into Aspen, view your grades, and check your student schedule. So the first thing you need to do is type in your S number, but the first thing you need to do is put in S and then type in your number. And then your password is Bobcats123. When you first log into Aspen, this is what you're going to see. And you can view your current schedule. So the cool thing about this is you can view just this quarter's classes. You can go to the full semester. You can see your stuff for semester 2, which is the spring, by clicking this. And you can view the full year's classes. Grades are not up yet, but whenever they are, you will have a tab here that says grades. You also can see any assignments that are coming up that you need to turn in online. Here, there are helpful links for Google, the KCS website, anything about paying your lunch, and then Canvas for parents and for you. If you have any questions, please reach out to your English teacher, and we will help you. Thanks for watching.